Hi guys, I need to show you this video how to do mason work and the operator pit, concrete pit. So you can see here that's the elevation. So let's say that is the finished floor elevation, and here you can see that is the elevator houseway. You know, it is like 5 foot deeper than the finished floor, you can see. Okay, and here you can see that box we covered with plywood, temporary plywood. That's the location for the operator, and there is a steel grid will be here covered, you know. Okay, so, and here you can see the masonry, and here you can see we installed piece of metal for the elevator support. Same thing here, same thing. That is important. You need to know the measurement from this side, the measurement, the locations will be line up. So you need to check with the elevator company, elevator approved submittal drawing, to install this one on correct elevation from the top of finished floor, correct elevation, correct location, measurement to the end, measurement to the beginning. Same thing here, because if you install it in the wrong place, you'll be problem. And here you can see we poured that solid. We poured that solid because they will fasten a lot of support and the stands, you know. So make sure you can make mason work and pour solid, or here what we did, we did form work, plywood form work, and we poured concrete with reinforcement. Make sure it is solid. So here, okay, you can see here waterproofing. Okay, we use CCW, so that's waterproofing. Here the drawing. Okay, anything below here you can see elevation, anything below. Okay, here you have bond beam. Okay, and here you can see interior footing. You can see we did elevation for this one, only one at the corner, and then the steel crew, they will take care with the rest. That is the elevation, that's the guide. You can see each one, there is one orange level. So you can see it here, that's the concrete crew did that. And here you can see, okay, here we did form work for elevator. Okay, and here, because that bond beam, you can do like 3 courses and make sure it is solid, so because they will tie the steel structure for the steel ladder. Okay, so here you can see finish, nice and finish. Okay, and here you can see, okay, that is bond beam, make it stronger, tie everything together. And here you can see how it is welded using epoxy. You can see the epoxy, gray epoxy. Okay, with bolt and nut, everything is tied and fastened. And you can see epoxy everywhere. Epoxy, that means we use the epoxy, you know. And you know, so that's steel ladder fastened to here. And you know, here that's stop here. On other ladder, there's still ladder, there is a support here, so there's a column here, but here is different. Okay, and you can see we fastened everything to the mason work here, and here same thing. You can see epoxy everywhere, and everything is tied to the concrete bond beam. Okay, and then you can see another thing, we will do the same thing over there. Okay, we'll do the same thing at the top, because that steel ladder will go to the 2nd floor. And here you can see poured concrete for steps, finished concrete, here finish, everything is good, did the curing. So this movie is about, you know, mason work, bond beam, for mason work. And here you can see it is a finish. You know, you can see the joint, finished joints, because that is exposed. Same thing here. So here, and make sure solid concrete bond beam with reinforcement, because everything will tie, and it's still anchor bolt with epoxy, you know. And here we have bond beam above the door opening. You can see it is solid concrete. Okay guys, if you like this video, please just subscribe. I will upload more videos that's about mason work and bond beam. Thank you guys, bye.